So Express Connect monitoring is watching over the hardware in our data center 24/7. But how does it work?
Let me show you. When a hardware issue occurs in our data center, it's detected and diagnosed by Express Connect monitoring.
Wait, so we don't have to diagnose and locate our own failures anymore?
No. As soon as an issue occurs, an alert is automatically sent and our Service Express team is notified. Then our dedicated engineer contacts us to confirm the service plan.
You mean no more calling or going online to manually open tickets?
No. Our engineer arrives with the right part and our issue is fixed. Thanks.
Hold on. We have the issue and they call us?
Yep.
When an error is detected, an alert is sent and a ticket is automatically created. My engineer calls to confirm my service plan. Then they arrive on site with the right part and the issue is fixed. That's awesome, but how much extra do we have to pay for this service?
We don't. It's free.
Come on! To learn more about how Express Connect integrates with other monitoring systems, click the link below in the description.